Gang. You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. And you don't know what we are dealing with when we in the lab already. Music I get react to and song I get review. You don't know what time it is. No change. But before we jump in the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. If you like music reactions and you like listen to new music or new artists, up and coming artists, because not only do I react to existing artists or hot artists right out now, why for that? But also listen to the underground and up and coming artists. If you like that type of content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Join the mafia, become part of the family. You don't know, latest reaction channel on YouTube. You see me? Not only me not just react to like existing artists, I listen to the underground artists, them want to know what up and coming, ready for burn up the chat. You see me? I say? Yeah man, gang. So yeah, today we're there with actually this is a request from a Dan Mafia member from Chevy Music. You see me, dog? So you react to Dan Mundo, Hometown. I gotta check it out and see what I go on. No, from the title Hometown. I wonder if it's similar to like Jaquan's Hometown. As you know, Jaquan's song that we reacted to not too long ago, Hometown, where he said like, well, a lot of people speculating and sending shots at Squash. Maybe it's like related to that, the whole Hometown voice note and everything there. You see me? Well, I check it out. So I gotta deal with. And you know, hopefully it's lit. But yeah, Dan Mundo. I haven't really heard of him before. Look like he's up and coming. I checked out his channel. He only got like, I think only like 18 or 20k or something like that. But yeah man, I check it out. So I gotta deal with today. Dan Mundo. You don't know. But yeah, subscribe to new music. You see me? I say so. If my request is, it should be a glitch song. You see me? I say, hold on, gang. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, man. Alright, no problem. Yeah, man, gang. Sorry about that. But yeah, man. That Mundo. Up and coming artist. Don't really know much about him, but I don't know. I'm subscribe to new music. So, shout out to Chevy. I check it out and see what that can deal with. You see me? Dan Mundo. Hometown. Let's get it.
Lord big breeze in a them gun.
See? I knew it. From hear the buzzing type of Hometown, man. I knew it. Yeah, Lord big breeze. What? Aye. Let's get it.
See me in a hometown.
Like Mark X. Wait, darling. Pilot. Hold on there. Be a Mark X or a pilot or a gun.
Blood pan it all and
How the blood fly? Be a Mark X or roll out? Now you look so. Mark X.
Lord big breeze in a them gun.
You see me in a hometown.
Pussy with a sugar the man. Alone big breeze in a
Don't bring breeze in the hometown. Cap them a cap.
how we can't
You see me in a hometown. You see me in a hometown. Bout them a jagger that me not know about. And a 220 Benz float pan it all. And a X me a roll. And a that then a crown plus a
Boy, me in a hometown. Me no know. I want to you, man.
me not know about. And a 2
Talk about your jagger that me no know about. And a 220 pan.
You see me in a hometown. Bout them a jagger that me not know about. And a 220 Benz float pan it all. And a X me a roll. And a that then a crown plus a pole on my sport. And a that then a coach.
Man say I X me a roll. Hey, from that then a crown and a pole on me. From that then a coach.
With they up in a hometown, say Benz too fast. She a say fi slow down, say she don't suck cocky. Or you have a boy tongue to your friend.
Hey, mama says yo slow down. Benz too fast, and if you slow down, mama, I want to you too fast. Wah! Slow down, I go away. Yeah, man, no, boy, you know, you have a boy tongue for. What you there for? Just accessories? Nah, man.
I want fuck a two, girl a 4 round. My book a villa for night and me charge up. So if you not run a pussy, then you can't go. 2 girl in night backseat type brabus. And if you not talk,
Villa for night and we charge up, mama. So if you know, say you're not run nothing, don't go. Don't forward. You see me?
money me not talk off 4.5 feet, be my milli park up. She say, Casa me go make she talk up. Tip on your toe when you see me off a start muck. Mama when you see me off a dance and now we are
Amigo, make you all them dark. You see me tip on your tongue, you see me if you dark up, mama.
When it town, tell the cap enough it talk. And a purple my beat, check it tag pan the shots. And a 5.5 feet beast pan the wharf. Me now your hometown, oh me can't see a dog. Oh me can't see a charge.
Mundo me.
Say 5.5 feet beast pan the wharf. Say yeah, say 5.5 feet clear. If you want ship a beast, right? No man. Say I buy the car 2-3 times then, man.
I boy them hometown and them shake it. I just find the media alone them hard.
Pussy me.
Girl, I'm in farm pound on my yacht. Girl, I'm in farm pound on my yacht. You see me saying I own teeth and that, them shake you on their hometown.
In your hometown, bout them a jagger that me no know about. And a 220 Benz float pan it tool. And a X me a roll. And a that then a crown. Plus a pole on my sport. And a that then a coach. Man, with the up in your hometown. Say Benz too fast. She a say fi slow down. Say
up in your hometown. Can't see them loan big praise.
she don't suck cocky or you have a boy tongue. Say your friend want fuck her 2 gal a 4 round. A 2 gal in her beer. Charge it. You know see we at in her state. I'm not talking. Say she want fuck in her range. Mama make your body jaw shake. Make your body jaw bounce. Yeah, say my 2 dance through my come on your tongue. Tell you hear that man say we are running.
Oh no mama shape a blood clot.
Young and a 35 shot bread, tough in I jump in your hometown. Bout them a jagger that me no know about. And a 220 Benz float pan it tool. And a X me a roll. And a that then a crown. Plus a pole on my sport. And a that then a coach. Man, with the up in
All of my sport for that coach.
now your hometown. Say Benz too fast. She a say fi slow down. Say she don't suck cocky or you have a boy tongue. Say your friend want fuck her 2 gal a 4 rounds.
Boy them shake.
Jesus, dog go on man. Dog have a vibes there. That Mundo. Easy no?
If for real, I just find the media alone. The boy them a capper in a real life.
Kappa in a real life, Jesus. Yeah. Go on now, man. Easy. One big breeze. Them. Easy now, man. Dan Mundo, do your thing. Hometown. Yeah, man. Gang, we know one thing about the one day. Dan Mafia, big up yourself. Chevy Music, big up yourself for the request. You see me, I do your thing, Dan Mundo. That was a vibe. Seems like it's up and coming artist. You see me, we definitely keep an eye on him. As you can see, that I do if you have some more releases in store. Or check out some other songs from you see me? But yeah, man, that's a vibe. Definitely enjoy NG. This is like the younger vibes, the younger you the more how you see me, I say. But yeah, man, if you know about Dan Mundo, drop some requests, and you want to hear music from him, drop some requests, drop some songs that I should react to. Drop some facts about him, where he come from and all these things, how long he's been doing music, all that good stuff. Tag him in the comment section, tag him, you know what I'm saying? You know what, go on, give me some info on the artist and them thing there. Drop the songs if you want to request to, if you want to see more from the artist, all them, man. You're going to get your shout out, all that good stuff, man. But yeah, man, let's chop it up in the comment section. Let me know what you like, dislike, you see me, indifference. Let me know what's going on. If you have requests, as I said, drop a request about this artist or any other artist. Definitely get it done and you get your shout out as well, gang. But yeah, man, Dan Mundo doing things vibe, upcoming. Can see dog have a place if you can keep coming and they keep getting better, you see me? The dog have a place in their music, man. He definitely have the vibes and the culture down pack right now. So he dep on the right track. You see me what I say? Yeah, man. So yeah, drop your comments. Let's chop it up. You already know what time it is. The next time, gang. It's your boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Out.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.